In this video, we're going to teach you how to create a realistic storm in Filmora. It's super easy to create it in Filmora with some footage and with one image only. First, shoot a stable video of the sky using a tripod. Then, drop the footage onto track 3. Now we need to remove the sky. For that, go to the mask and use the Smart Brush tool to remove the sky, or you can use the pen tool. Then set the blur strength to 1. Now drop this storm image onto track 1. You can download it from pexels.com for free. Now, adjust the scale of the storm image. Then to create a bit of depth in the sky, unlink the scale and adjust the Y position. It will create a kind of depth in the sky. Now, we'll give the motion to the sky. For that, adjust the sky position, and on the position keyframe at the start, then at the end of the footage, move it towards the left side. And now we got some slight movement in the sky. To make the sky more realistic, since we're using an image only, we can add some turbulence to it. For that, we go to the Effects tab. And from the Warp folder, apply BCC Turbulence Effect on the sky image. Then at the start, set the scale to 86, and on the keyframe, set the intensity to 84. And on the keyframe, set the reference level to -16. Then expend distortion and set master to 50, X reference to 24, and Y reference to 45. On Use Improved Noise and change noise type to stringy. Then at the end, set the scale to 55 and the intensity to 185. Now render the footage, and rendering is required each time while checking the effect because the turbulence effect is quite a heavy effect. And you can see we have some slight movement in the clouds. Now we need to create a night scene. For that, drop the adjustment layer on track 4 and make the effect as long as needed. Then go to the color, and from LUT preset, select Cool Film. Then set the temperature to -40, vibrance to -51, saturation to 33, exposure to -43, brightness to 11, contrast to 61, highlight to 58, shadow to -43, white to -55, and finally black to 3. Then use HSL for further color adjustment. And we will now get a night look. Now we'll create a lightning effect. For that, duplicate the sky footage from track 1 to track 2, then set the starting point for the lightning. And go to the effects, and from the new blue effects folder, apply the tint effect. Change the tint color to blue, and set the tint value to 65, saturation to -40, brightness to 90, film gamma to 100. And basically we've created a brighter sky so that we can make the lightning effect. Now go to the mask and create a mask around the area where you want some lightning. Then set the blur strength to 72. And on Extend keyframe, after 2 frames, set Extend to -200. Then after 2 frames, set Extend to 43. Then after 2 frames, set -200. And then after 2 frames, set Extend to -32. Then after 2 more frames, set Extend to 75. And finally, after 2 frames, set Extend to -200. Now split the clip again after a second and adjust the mask position and repeat the same process to create lightning. Further, you can set the mask to a different location and create a lightning effect. Now to make this effect more intense, we'll use a sound effect. For that, we can go to Audio and then select the sound effect, and in the search bar type Thunder, and you'll get lots of options for thunder. Use them according to the one you like the most. Now let's render the project to see the final preview. And that's how you can create a realistic storm effect in Filmora. Download Filmora now and create creative videos. See you in the next video.